welcome to another edition of Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway right here in Magbon town facing Peakpalm Estate. So this is video update, and like I said, I'll always be here to show you the current updates on Peakpalm Estate facing the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, also facing the Eleko beach and Dangote refineries road. So as you are seeing, so this is the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, and work has started right here. Let me tell you, own something in this place, buy it when it is affordable and you know that you can afford it. We have both commercial plots right here and we also have residential. So the commercial will be facing the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. So this is Peakpalm Estate, and as you can see from the video and from the drone video, is facing the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway. And you know what, we have LEKKI free trade zone here, Dangote refineries, LEKKI deep sea port, and one of people that works in LEKKI free trade zone, some of them say that they live as far as LEKKI phase 2 Aja area, and they always come to free trade zone to work. So before they get to the work office, you know, there is tiring. And do you know what, from here to free trade zone is less than 12-minute drive. So you can actually buy and build here for rental purpose. So a smart investor, this is a good buy for any smart and wise investor. And like I said, you can actually create your own estate inside this estate and you build your own estate. So currently we are still selling commercial and residential. So in this place, if you are buying more than 1 acre, the price will be subsidized for you. So currently right now, if you are buying from this company, if you are buying from us, currently 600 square meter is selling for 25 million naira. And 500 square meter currently you can get it for 21 million if you are buying from me. And we have commercial plot that is selling for 85,000 per square meter. So I like you to take advantage, own something right here in Peakpalm Estate. This is one of the best location you can buy property, and it comes with governor consent. So for inquiries and inspection booking, you can give me a call on the number on your screen. So you see the development right here currently in Peakpalm Estate. So if you are ready, so you can give me a call on the number on your screen. Thank you.